If you're experiencing lag spikes while playing League of Legends, it can significantly affect your gaming experience. Follow these steps to help configure your settings and reduce lag. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. Use a wired connection if possible, as it is generally more reliable than Wi-Fi. Test your internet speed and check for any interruptions or issues with your service provider. Step 2. Optimizing game settings. Launch League of Legends and go to the settings menu. Lower the graphics settings, such as texture quality and shadow effects, to reduce the load on your system. This can help improve performance and reduce lag. Step 3. Close background applications. Before starting the game, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. Programs that use bandwidth or CPU resources can contribute to lag spikes. Check your task manager to identify and close these applications. Step 4. Adjust network settings. In a League of Legends client, navigate to the network settings. Enable the option for use a custom DNS and embed a reliable DNS server such as Google S 8.8, 8.8 and 8.8 4.4. This can help improve connection stability. Step 5. Update drivers and game client. Ensure that your graphics card drivers and the League of Legends client are up to date. Check for any available updates and install them. Keeping your software updated can resolve compatibility issues and improve performance. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your gaming experience with fewer lag spikes. Enjoy your game.